Good morning, everyone. My name is Preeti, and today, what are we going to discuss? Yeah, it's diary entry. So, diary entry. How to write a diary entry? When you write a diary entry, you are writing about a day in your life of a real person or a character. And the diary entry need to be sound as if a personal character has written it. So it needs to be written from their point of view. It also needs to be exciting, interesting to read. To get this right, you just need to follow some easy steps which I'm going to say you now. So, there are 8 important steps to write a perfect daily entry. So, at the starting, write date for your entries. So, at the starting, write the date and then dear diary. And then pick a topic. Pick a topic that you care about. So write naturally, okay? Don't write what haven't happened, but you're including which happened in your diary entry, okay? Write very naturally, point to point, what happened that day, about what you're going to write. So be truthful, okay? Don't what add any lies to it. And then write in a friendly manner that if anyone reads or you also read, you should just impress. Oh, what is such a nice writing, or the way I write, how nice it was. So, and keep writing. And after writing it, reread your entry. Okay, again reread your entry, and if there are any mistakes, just scribble them off and throw them away. So, make it a habit of writing a daily. It gives you so relaxation. Okay, again, let's revise the steps. Date your entries, pick a topic, write naturally, be truthful, be friendly, and keep writing and reread your entries and make it a habit. So, the points to remember: use the right format. At the starting, day and date, extreme left hand, the top corner. Okay, I will show you some examples and explain you very clearly. Okay, and now use the right format. The day and date, extremely left. I'll show you with this laser. Extremely, which is left, this side to the corner, up corner. Okay, the corner here. You can see, right, this corner. So write time, salutation, body, paragraph, your name. And now the format of diary entry. So at the starting, here date, time and day. And then dear diary and your content, at the last your name. So diary entry format, and this is an example. Today, the topic is today you celebrate Independence Day at your school, but you're not satisfied with the attitude of the people towards freedom. They consider that they are free to spoil the country and solid its image. Write a diary entry expressing your feelings. See here carefully. Day and date. It's with Friday, 15th August 20 or 2021. Time 10 p.m. Oh, so late. Salutation. Write the salutation, dear diary. The body. Let us read the body. Today, I am just pondering over the condition of India. We are about complete 70 years of independence, but where we have reached. Every year, we commemorate the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters on their prison of our poisonous national festival. Wave flags, sing patriotic songs, and show the patriotism by posting patriotic image on social media. That's it. And a very next day, we discard those flags in drains, and I see heaps of garbages everywhere. Small kids working as child laborers, people dying lack of food and medicine treatments, discriminating against women. I feel ashamed myself. Signature or your name, Aditya. So use the right format. So at the starting I'm revising the format: day and date, time, the opening, the salutation, the body, and the writer's name, ABCXYZ, something. So now, refer to this slide only for content, body, and for format, check 13th and 14th slide. Okay. Use the right format. So you should read this, and I'll read this out. So this is and very important, and if you keep what can I say? Just look seriously, be serious in the slide. Okay. Write the at the start, write the date, address who you're writing to, dear diary. Write in the first person. Today I've started my new job at the ice cream parlor. Write how it made you feel. I was so excited but nervous at the same time. Supporting sentence. I hope that my manager and the girls who work there like me. And write honestly. One girl who worked there called Annie, she was awesome. And write emojis like the smiley. And future hopes, expectations. Anyway, a new day tomorrow. Let's hope I can make some tips. Wish me luck. Informant casual style slang. Good night, ma. That's her name. And sign off and show the end of the entry. And done. The second point. Keep the tone informal or semi-formal. Use the first person I or we. And use dear diary. Use construction abbreviations. So keep the tone of informal and semi-formal. So these are some examples for informal. Anyway, I think. Alright, put up, set up, put off. So you can read these, refer. I'm not gonna read out. So keep the tone of informal, semi-formal. So I'm gonna read this for the greetings. Hello Mary, hello, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, evening. What are you doing? Nice to meet you, how it's going? Informal greeting. Hey, what's up? Howdy. How are you? Hi, what's new? What's going on? What is it going? How are the things? So keep the informal and the semi-formal tone, okay? And then you can take a screenshot and refer to this. Okay, these are the points to remember. Express yourself, but bring out your natural way outside and include feelings and emotions and your opinions about the thing. Okay, this will make your diary entry so good. Be more descriptive. Okay, avoid repetitions. So the main thing is avoid repetitions. Don't write the same thing. For example, I've went to Wonderla, and again at the last, I'm so happy I went to Umbrella. So sorry, Wonderla. So don't repeat and use these descriptive words. You can take a screenshot and refer to them. So the fifth one is maintain grammatical accuracy. Okay, grammar rules. So I read this out. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. A verb is an action word. The bird flew. So you can refer these. Okay. Take a screenshot. I'll give you time. Yeah. Sixth one is write in past tense, because the diary entry is something you have written after a particular thing has happened, right? Diary entry is always written when an action is done and which is past. So use simple. These are don't refer to simple present and past. Don't refer to simple present and refer to simple past and past participle. Okay, write in past tense always. Okay, like bet, head, road, wrote, rose, drove, straw, bitten, hidden, like that. For example, I went to the zoo and I've seen a rabbit which had hid from me or which had hidden from me. Okay, like that. Let's revise the points to remember. Use the right format. Keep the tone of informal or semi-formal. Express yourself. Avoid repetition. Maintain grammatical accuracy. Write in past tense. Okay, these are some examples. you can take screenshot and refer to them. So these are so helpful for you. So I'll read the small one, a small diary entry. The month, date, and day. So they haven't written here the day, so write the day and the time. Okay, dear diary, today I went for a lovely swim in a cool Pacific Ocean. Jahan took care of me in room 17 and I met my friends Otto and Edric, who are also otters but much bigger. Bye for now, Eddie. So these are some small diary entries. So at the starting we have read that if there are any mistakes, just scroll them up. Okay. Okay. Here's the question for you. Practice this. It might help you. Your summer holidays are going to begin. Write a diary entry in 80 to 100 words about your plan for the holidays in midst of COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. Thank you for today. Bye bye. At the last, please subscribe, share, and like to my channel. Please.